following message is transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. An unusual event is taking place within the downtown Atlanta area. Civilians were reported to have their skins turning into stones. The cause of the phenomenon is unknown at the moment. However, it is speculated that once they have turned into stone, they may be considered to be not of human anymore. This is yet to be confirmed or debunked. Residents are advised to be on the lookout if their skin starts to turn into stones. More information will be provided as it becomes available.
Welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?
Hi, can I get a...
Okay, get into McDonald's.
Ooh, can I get a...
Yeah, can I get a,
broadcast or cable system was issued a civil danger warning for Clayton, Georgia, Cobb, Georgia, DeKalb, Georgia, Douglas, Georgia, Fayette, Georgia, Fulton, Georgia, Gwinnett, Georgia, Henry, Georgia, beginning up to 17 p.m. and ending at 5:17 p.m. This is an update to the alert that was issued 5 minutes ago. There have been reports of civilians turning into stone with the shape of the number 2. It is speculated that once the person walks outside, they will turn into stone as they are considered to be deceased. It is unknown that it also affects people indoors. At this time, residents are advised to shelter in place as it is your best chance for safety. Gather essential supplies with you such as food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a hand crank or a battery-powered radio with you. 911 services are experiencing an outage within the Atlanta metropolitan area. If you're in the affected area and have an emergency, please dial 404-635-7200. Continue to monitor media outlets for further updates on this developing situation.
Two classics that never go out of style. Hold on. Wait. You're assembling a Serve plus Turf McDonald's hack, which must make you a menu hacker. Yes, the Serve plus Turf, available only on the McDonald's app. You get free medium fries and a drink. Oh, someone open the app. I need to order and build one immediately. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
You are not just watching a performance. You are witnessing a culture reborn. Now, you'll see what the modern world has never seen. China, before communism. Live on stage. Shenyun, coming to Lincoln Center, the Palace Theater Stamford, and NJPAC from March 10th. Buy tickets now at shenyun.com.
Exhilaration, when the cheesiest guilty pleasure breakfast sandwich starts your day on just the right note. On time, lowest price, or we'll make it right. Grubhub.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations have been discontinued during this emergency. This is WSB-TV. This station will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Atlanta area. If you are not in the Atlanta area, you should tune to broadcast stations or cable systems providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the broadcast station or cable system in your local area. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WSB-TV. We will continue to serve the Atlanta area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune broadcast stations or cable systems providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Atlanta area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. An unusual phenomenon is occurring across the United States along with the rest of the world. This is due to every human and animal turning into a shape of the number 2 made out of stone. Catastrophic damage has occurred across major cities across the nation along with the rest of the planet. The president is among those who turned into stone, but was able to give out a message through the primary entry point system using the National Weather Service's console replacement system before his demise. Please listen carefully to this statement.
My fellow Americans, an unusual phenomenon is currently taking place within our nation along with the rest of the world. Numerous reports of humans and animals turning into the shape of the number 2 made out of stone have been received. There is a high chance that this could lead to the extinction of every human and animal in our world. It is confirmed that this event cannot be prevented. We will not survive this apocalyptic event. Our time on this beautiful planet has become drastically limited. To all listening to this message, if you are still alive, tell your family, friends, and loved ones how much you love them. Gather those around you and embrace them as your demise approaches. Pray to your deity or deities if you are a person of religion. I sign out for the final time with a Bible verse. Psalm 23, 1-6. The Lord is my shepherd. I have what I need. He lets me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He renews my life. He leads me along the right paths for our name's sake. Even when I go through the darkest valley, I fear no danger. For you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Only goodness and faithful love will pursue me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord as long as I live. Your government thanks you for being part of the American dream. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of America.
This station will sign off for the final time with our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.